Now we are boarding. So one more time we tried to upgrade our flights, but we failed again. No. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, welcome.
Thanks. Okay. Okay, so number 11? 8. Okay. So this is my seat, which is 11E.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
And an exchange. So she was sitting on 8J and now she has moved to 12J. This is my seat, 11E.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
11E is my seat. Look at the leg space and for shoes and other stuff. It has ample space. This is 12G and it is at this place. Thanks. So if you notice that there is no overhead bin on the sides, the overhead bins are only in the center like you are seeing right now. And if I show you the left side of my seat, there is no overhead bin here as well. So that's why you feel more space vertically. This is the place where you can find all the magazine and the other stuff here. So my bag is this size and I still have this space. Similarly here. Okay, this time it looks different, like it has dream above the clouds. It has slippers and eye mask, but I am unable to open it. Open it? Oh. Okay, so here is an eye mask, slippers, foldable slippers. Okay. Okay, try it. Let's try these slippers. Wow. And Yeah, I got my kit, and it is mostly like the last one, but last time it was silver, and before that it was golden. So let's see what's inside. So I'm opening my kit. Thank you. Oof, so hot and relaxing.
Girls cannot do it because it will wipe away all the makeup. And
नहीं हुआ
then
मैंने किया लेकिन नहीं हुआ
girls will turn into women.
Okay. What did you get?
This is a slightly different pouch,
It's a thinner,
but
but I like your as well. It's good to keep different stuff. Like for traveling purpose, we can use it as well to put the passports and everything. I got this loungewear. This is a new addition to the business class. It's complimentary, and you can go and change your clothes and wear this one. And I read about it online that it's so good. So let's see what's inside.
Have a loungewear for dessert. We have a medium, small, or large exposures.
yeah, I'll keep large. Thank you.
So is there a difference between women and men? I think the sizes would be different.
Only there is one difference. Sizes.
हाँ
Everything is same.
नहीं तो I also have the same
Yeah,
looking.
it is same thing. Nothing different. The large will cater to large and extra large.
But actually they have only two sizes on board, medium and large, and that is there is no women and men type. So it was really really very large for me. So I'm gonna change it to medium. So that's the only option I have other than this one. Let's see. This is, you can put your menu here. this virgin mojito, which contains lemon and some nuts, and these are the sweet bites from the lounge. So this is baklava, and this one is for Rabiha at her iftar time. I brought this for her. I have changed it, and it's very lightweight and very comfy. And now I bought my drink, virgin mojito. Lemon and mint is always refreshing, and some nuts. So I'll try the drink and the nuts now. We have got the appetizer before the dinner. This is tomato soup and the salad and the bread with water. And same is for our.
And it tastes really awesome. Tasty.
This is my main course, which is beef steak, and I have taken first bite, which I did not like. So maybe I'll be returning it. This is Sultana cheesecake. I don't know why its name after Sultana. Review, Howard?
Very sweet and tasty. I don't know what's inside it. Looks like kishmish.
Yes, so I did not like the beef steak, and it was very hard to cut for me. So I returned it, and in the exchange, I got this rice with chicken from the lounge, and they gave me two boxes just in case I am too hungry, but I'm not. So I'm giving one of the boxes to my daughter. Since she was fasting, and she also got the beef, although she never liked beef at all. So I hope she will like it, and it smells really good, by the way.